Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're checking out what's in the supporter vents and room with
Parker. I think that's what it says. I don't know if there's any mistake. Let me check real quick. Yeah, Parker. Ow, I hit my door.
Yeah, we're here with Parker and we're gonna check out what's in supporter vents and room. And I have the power of dashing, guys. Dash!
And I have the power of third person, but I can't even get it on.
See, bro, support me. I only have this badge. I don't have that stuff. Too expensive. I have this.
And
hey, bro.
My dad won't let me buy it.
Hey, bro. We have the money. Here, look. Money.
Oh, money.
I got the dollar bills.
I'm gonna be right back. Hey, that's a monkey with a stick.
Yeah, bro. No, it's not just a monkey with a stick. It's the owner of the game, bro. And then we got the money gun. We got a gun, guys. Let's go shoot him while he's asleep. Yeah, guys, let's shoot him. Yeah, I shot him with money. All right. Now we have to wait on him. Through the floor. Put it through the floor. Those are supporter vents. Oh, yeah. Let me show you something that I shot you with. No worries. I didn't shoot you that hard. Money guns. That's all the stuff. A supporter badge. That's all I have. And then those cosmetics. All right, come on, dude. Come on.
Look.
Open! Bro, just come in. Just come.
But I can use my third person camera.
No, use this camera. Use it. Use it. Bye.
Bro, look at my body.
I'm telling you.
I know.
So, we have Blast. I don't know if it's copyrighted or not. So, I'm not going to play it. But then we have Hard Bass. I don't think.
Don't play it.
Alright, I'll go to the dance floor.
Copyrighted?
No, it's not copyrighted music.
Okay, good.
I think that's enough of this song, guys.
I see you in the club.
Now let's play.
Are you in the club?
Black Box. Let's play the non-copyrighted music. So, because I didn't know if that one's copyrighted because it's brand new. It's a brand new song. Oh yeah, also we have this. Nothing's in it, I don't think. Yeah, nothing. No, I'm coming, don't worry. Have a drink with me.
Where am I going today, go?
Alright, let's go. Wait, one. Never mind, I can't use dash on. I can't use dash anymore because it's glitching out my game.
I'm in third person. My mirror's just all white.
I know. I have third person.
What the?
There
Bro,
we go.
I go through the mirror.
I can't. Yeah, I can't go through it.
the mirror. Bro, I'm asleep in the mirror.
Alright, guys. So that's all for today's
Okay, I'm
video.
going to some moderator
That's all for today's video, guys. And mozzarella pizza, mozzarella pizza, mozzarella pizza. All right, guys, that's it. And have a great Easter. Have a great Easter, guys. I hope you get lots of goodies and Kinder Joy eggs, candy. And if you get Twix, that's mine. That's what I'm saying. Have a good Easter. I know. Today's Easter, guys, and have a great Easter.